what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. I get a little bit breathless, my thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart, it's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't wanna face it, you think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors, I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. And throw our problems in the flames. Ooh, throw our problems in the flames. I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
C'est chaud, hein? C'est chaud, hein? Ouais.
You got a degree hotter while you stood there.
We were golden, we were fire, we were magic. Yeah, and they all knew our names all over town. We had it made in the middle of the madness. We were neon in a gray crowd. Yeah, we wrote our own story, full of blood, sweat, and heartbeats. Yeah. We didn't do it for the fame or the glory, but we went down in history. Yeah, we were legends, loving you, baby. It was heaven. What everyone wanted, we never questioned. Closed our eyes and took on the world together. Do you remember? We were crazy, tragic and epic and so amazing. I'll always wear the crown that you gave me. We will always stay lost in forever, and they'll remember we were legends. Like we were written down in permanent marker. Not even the brightest sun could ever fade. Come whichever hill or high water, well, it was always me and you either way. Hey, we wrote our own story, full of blood, sweat, and heartbeats, yeah. We didn't do it for the fame or the glory. No, we just did it for you and me. And that's why we were legends, loving you, baby. It was heaven. What everyone wanted, we never questioned. Closed our eyes and took on the world together.
Fait chaud, hein? Fait chaud, hein? Fait chaud, hein?
On est où là?
On est à Badwater, hein? Fait chaud, hein? On est à... On est pas... On est à 85 mètres sous le niveau de la mer.
Ouais.
Comme ça.
Il fait chaud.
Et il fait chaud, hein? Parce que c'est le soleil. On est sur le lac salé maintenant.
Voilà.
Ça, mais on a,
Et
on a la vitamine, hein,
Voilà.
avec les glaçons.
Mais on est content.
On est
content.
On n'est pas mécontent. Oui, on est content. Je suis content.
Oui, moi je suis content aussi.
Ouais, on est content, on est
Allez.
content. Allez, à la prochaine. Hein.
Don't think I've ever seen your kind of pretty, wandering around this midnight madhouse city. You got a look that says you got it all together. So if you don't mind, I'd like to know you better. Take me the long way around your town. Were you the queen with the silver crown? I want the secrets you keep, the shine underneath of the diamond I think I just found. Take me the long way around. I'd love to see just where your daddy met your mama. You hand me down 99 and party. Show me the fields you dance in close.
La vallée de la mort. Les dunes de Mesquite. C'est chaud, hein? Oh, j'ai pas la tête rouge encore, mais peut-être que ça va venir. Ouais, mais ça va, c'est bon. On fait dans les 48, ça va, hein. C'est pas trop chaud. On supporterait une petite laine, hein? Allez, à bientôt. Je me brûle les pieds. Je me brûle les pieds. Alléluia. Je crois que je vais pas boire, je vais me rafraîchir les pieds.
I didn't think tonight when I walked in I'd be falling for somewhere I've never been. Take me the long way around your town. Were you the queen with the silver crown? I want your red blushing stories, your faults and your glories that makes you who you are right now. Take me the long way around. Yeah, yeah. Take me the long way around.
Boy, you gonna know it all, making you 10 feet tall. Run like you're bulletproof and total a car or two. Boy, you gonna hate this town. I wish you could burn it down, but that fire in your eyes is 20 counties wide. But boy, you're gonna love 17. Boy, you'll do some stupid things. You gonna drive and kiss and throw a punch and grow up way too fast. You gonna drop the ball, hit the wall and break some hearts like glass. I know you will, 'cause you're a part of me, and a part of you will always be. Boy, you're gonna be so stubborn, but you get that from your mother. I already see it now, you weren't built for backing down. Boy, there'll be a small town night, you'll fall for her sky blue eyes. And when she's in your hands, you'll think you're a man and not a boy. She'll make you lose your
See